Ukanike Kusenjalo uMphathiswa Maile uthi Isebe libeka phambili izakhiwo zesikolo ezilahliweyo nezingasetyenziswayo njengenxalenye yemizamo yokuphucula iziseko zophuhliso kunye nokunciphisa uxinzelelo ezikolweni kwakunye nokwandisa indawo yokufunda nokufundisa.
The decommissioned schools, I think there are 17.
17.
Yeah, we've got 17 that we have identified. We are working on it, and where people have illegally occupied, we'll have to approach the courts, we'll have to evict and take it from there. So there is a process of looking at those decommissioned. Additionally, through the self-build program, the Gauteng provincial government has also introduced an additional classroom program that in essence provides for schools to manage the construction of additional classrooms. We are also exploring buying privately owned former missionary schools that are still in good condition and comply with regulations, norms, and standards. This involves the reopening of schools that were previously decommissioned. Whilst not desirable, we are currently also supplying prefabricated temporary classrooms to alleviate the increasing pressures whilst awaiting the completion of brick and mortar facilities. The Gauteng provincial government intends to provide new public school infrastructure on allocated zoned and full services sites within mega human settlements development prioritized by the Gauteng Department of Human Settlement. The Gauteng